We're almost there. That's a landmark. And I'm gonna make a right. Almost there. 3 more lights and we're there. Here it comes. It doesn't look like much from here, but look, it is massive. And when we get to the corner, it's equally large to the other side. So give it a second. There it is. This is the
destination
Music
is on your
Center.
left. Music City Center.
It's just huge. So everything has to be huge. That's huge. That's huge. That's huge. Then we go in here. The first big room is the conference room. So I'm gonna go right in there. Everybody's getting ready to go to a talk next door. So we'll see. Now we're in here, strangely enough, the first things we see are computers. NVIDIA, Lenovo, Nexa, Dell Technologies, way out there. And way in the back, Dassault and Modeling Mania. So that's the entrance. At the center is Dassault. Big, nice, spacious, nice Barcelona chairs. And then in the back, Model Mania. Right out there, 3D experience. And what caught my attention the most was that thing, immersive experience. There they are. Those people in there are wearing goggles and they're in an imaginary world, meaning that they are right now in a virtual factory examining a product line, and they look like they're not doing anything, but they're seeing a whole universe made out of imaginary points of clouds to evaluate the productivity of a line. And that's it. Amazing, I think. They're all wearing goggles, and the backpack has the electronics that powers what they are.
So this is frozen. View, once it's approved, I can release it. And then they can change it after that.
The people in the room next this wall wearing those backpacks, that's what they're seeing. So this is a display, and they're walking around those machines, all imaginary. Now they're moving to the second floor, I think, and now they're going to evaluate the machines on different displays. Actually, they're in a conference room right now. The chairs are there. So let me just show you what they look like. Right? Doesn't make any sense, but that's what they're doing. The display is back. Now they're just testing their goggles. Guys, can I have a 60-second? Because I love your machine. So this machine is all open source, assembled by these guys, and they give away everything. Of course, then they sell the consulting and their training. But this machine right there, what is it?
It's a 40-watt CO2 laser cutter.
Laser cutter, okay.
Yes.
And they were building it right here out of drawings that are open source. So I think that we should build a few of these machines in-house, and train people on how to build them. And of course, go to Germany. And what are you showing me?
So some parts you can do is a
Oh, you did them here?
Yeah, with laser cut with the machine.
On the machine you built here?
Yeah, of course.
Oh my goodness.
All of this that you see here is done here.
Okay.
Yeah.
What else are you? You're showing all the pieces.
The machine live. Shall I make it run?
Run it, please. So you just finished building the machine right here?
Yeah, on Monday.
On Monday, okay. What's the name of this? Fabulaster. That's the name of the machine? Yeah. So these guys, this man and this lady, can send us the kit of all the pieces, or they can send us the plans so we can cut these pieces or buy these out of the catalog. Okay, they're setting it up so we can see what they're doing. So this machine came here in pieces?
Correct.
Machine can cut, yes. Okay, can you close the lid?
Yes.
Close the lid, okay. In case something jumps out.
Oh, the laser won't shoot if the lid.
It's doing it.
Okay.
So you better zoom in, because otherwise
Yeah.
you will not see.
Haha. And of course, you made that you made that program.
That's correct.
That is brilliant.
You can see now is doing the letters.
Yeah, absolutely. Look, zoom in right there. Thank you. No, tell me your name.
Yeah, so my name is Daniel Gracia from In Machines in Gracia GmbH
Okay.
in Germany.
And my name is Gaia Di Martino from the same
So,
company.
we need to talk to these guys. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
In the meantime, they're disbanding. These guys just wore the goggles and they're going away. That's my buddy.
Some people have all of an office somewhere, so it's great for pulling information together that you want to present in a meeting. So this was really about us now coming back up. Let's talk about. We know what we went out and did with the line. We know we've got the things that we need to fix, but when I said there's still work to do, you only solve those problems in virtual reality through a digital twin. We still have to go out and buy carts and a cobot. We still have to decide are we going to build or purchase the rack and the turntable.
Tell me, what did we see here?
You see actually the virtual twin of the production.
So it's a factory simulation, but in 3D. So
Yeah.
we're actually walking inside it.
Yeah, so we mixed 3D and we mixed virtual scan, so a point cloud of a factory.
Okay.
So
That is the big differentiator.
Yeah,
the cloud
for sure. This is a unique
points.
experience. Yes.
So you collect the factory layout
Yeah.
with some kind of a 3D camera,
Yeah.
and then put that in the model.
Yeah.
And then you sometimes add pictures.
Yeah. We can put pictures or videos inside the VR
Right.
to highlight some solutions. We have another kind of experience directly embedded into the 3D Expanse platform,
Yeah.
where we can play simulation directly. So see the robot moving, the machine, and
Right.
so on.
And then you bring new machines
Yeah.
that are just CAD things.
Yeah.
You put them in the middle. You haven't bought them,
Yeah.
but you can see how they fit in. And these people right there
Yeah.
can walk around them, can
Yeah.
walk in between them.
Yeah, we have here like 100 square meters, so people can go and see, visit the factory, brainstorm together.
Okay, so what are those things right there?
This is trackers.
So there's what, like 20 trackers
Like 20, 30.
that know where the people are
Yeah,
in
exactly.
relation to the imaginary components.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
So-
Let me take a picture of your.
Yeah.
This is my buddy Roman. So you want to show me something?
Yeah, this is a puck. So we
Okay.
attach a 3D model on top of that. So inside the VR, for example, this one was for a drill.
Those are the objects we
Yeah,
manipulated
exactly. So
to pretend to put a part or to move it around,
yeah.
and they represent a real part.
Yeah.
So you don't
A
see
tool,
that
yeah.
with your goggles. You see,
See a tool or the
yeah,
table,
yeah.
the the station you manipulate.
This table is not like this. It's actually a machine
Yeah.
in the simulation. Thank you,
Exactly.
Roman.
Thank you.
Talk to you later. Now we're going to run to the other side to show you the pieces that they were showing, and then how does that is in some real components of the things that they were simulating on the other side. By the way, there's all kinds of machines there. Little machines, big machines, 3D printers, cutters, whatever. Lots of robots, little and large. But this is what we want to see. So here it is. One of the parts that we saw in the virtual simulation is this guy. And the problem is that there are several pieces like this one that need to be assembled on those holes. So what they have is a projector right there that is both a projector and an eye. So when the piece moves, the color displays follow it. See, I'm pushing it back and forth, and then the whole thing adjusts. So it tells me this is this, that is that. And later it's going to tell me where exactly should I put these things, because there are different sizes of things that can be configured. So that's one, super interesting, very easy, because it's just a projector pointing at the part. The part can move, the part can be different, it recognizes the CAD, and it tells me where to position the part. And then on this side, it's somewhat similar. There's a camera right there looking at the part and giving me instructions on how to do this. Yeah, you want to show me?
Yeah.
Because
Okay.
this is fantastic.
Yeah. So here you have a camera plugged to a laptop, and here you have the 3D. So it recognizes the 3D. You can work on it. If it's loose, it will go
Too
back.
fast. What did you do?
Oh. So it's
You're
not
taking it away?
and it recognizes very fast.
Okay.
You always have the right information at the right place, right?
So it's finding the part
Yeah.
and showing you what to do there in the computer.
Exactly.
Or
You can be
in a
very
tablet.
close. Yes. So we have the same software that runs on the laptop, tablet also.
Right?
So here you can see the differences between the 3D and the
Right.
reality.
So go slow. That was very interesting. Go it slowly. So if you slide it to the left, you see the part. If you slide it to the right, you see the CAD model. And then it explains to you how to assemble it, perhaps.
This one is
how
for
to-
quality check.
yeah,
Quality control.
or instruction.
It's instructions for here, but
Right.
here you don't have your hands free.
Assembly
So
instruction.
it's very good for quality control. As a quality controller, I can do my job.
Explain that one to me, because I tried to explain myself, but you're going to do
Yeah.
better.
So here it's the same software. You have a camera that is synchronized with the projector here, and it displays directly on the parts the instructions.
So tell me more. What instructions?
So here I have a cable to plug here, and here. And what
Okay.
is very nice, because it's without any marker, if I move the part here, it will follow.
The projector knows because it has
The
an
camera.
eye.
It's
Okay.
the same software.
Okay.
It's our own proprietary technology. Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate all the work you guys put into that. Thank you.
This is the guy I need to talk to,
Uh-oh.
right?
I guess so.
So I already have your LinkedIn and everything,
Okay.
but he's the guy who explained how these things all fit together,
Oh, yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Because the guy out there explained to me the factory simulation. This guy explained to me the
Have you
goggles. These guys have this guy right here has the components, and this guy knows how everything fits together. Tell me something. That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So on behalf of champions, I'm incredibly proud to recognize one of our most engaged
This is enormous.
champions, Danny McLoughlin. As our 2022 SolidWorks Champion of the Year. Danny, on behalf of SolidWorks and our global community of over 7 million users, thank you for elevating the Champions program with your passion for learning, mentorship, and creative expression. Let's give it up for Danny.
And there are, as I said on Thursday, there are 7 million of us now in this community. So it's and 700,000 certified users, right? So that's amazing. So Dan and Matt, thank you for joining me on this stage. Congratulations to our winners, and big thanks to the whole SolidWorks community. Passion is inspirational, and it can also be life-changing. The people who work